What's your energy? What's your strategy on energy?
Oil is essential for Iraq's economy, which is why when the Straits of Hormuz is closed, the economy of Iraq is severely damaged, as well as Kurdistan's. While we would all love to get away from oil, we keep talking about it, get away from oil, the reality is we're not getting away from oil. But what we want to do is use oil as a source of revenue to support other sectors: agriculture, tourism, agro-industries, agro-tourism, many other industrial areas where it has huge potential for growth. You mentioned gas. Yes, Kurdistan is gas-rich and Sulaimania is very gas-rich. For us, the strategy here is to power our local economy, power our electricity sector, power our industrial growth. And our strategy has been from day one, transferring gas to wire. We think we have enough, we know we have enough gas to become a net exporter of power, whether it's to serve the deficiencies in the rest of the country or the region that we are living in. This is our strategy, and we are working steadfast to implement that.